Hello everyone, for making a scrapbook base, we need a paper that measures 17 inches by 7 inches. Then we need some cardboard that measures 5.5 inches, 5.3 inches and 5.5 inches. Stick them as shown. We need to apply the glue all over the cardboard and spread it evenly. You can even use the tacky tape here to stick it. So just keeping a space of 0.2 centimeters approx, and I'll be sticking the cardboards as this. Similarly, you have to stick all of them. So once we are done with the sticking portion, we need to fold the paper as this. We just need to fold the rest of the paper as this. So with the help of a bone folder, I'm just folding all my lines, and you can also do this with the help of a scale or a scissor. Just fold it from all the four sides as shown. Once we are done with the folding, now with the scissors I'll be just cutting out from the corners as this. Just make sure you don't cut much, only this much from all the four sides. So just cut it evenly. We also need to cut it from the center as this. So cut all the shown parts as so. If you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are also having a 1K giveaway on our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you do participate and win a lot of exciting prizes for yourself. So once you're done with cutting all the sides, now it's time to glue. So let's spread the glue evenly and stick all the shown portions as this. Now we are done with covering our cardboard with the black paper. Now just covering the white portions with the black cardstock. We need a paper that measures 4.5 inches by 5 inches. We'll be sticking it as shown. We'll be sticking it in the center. So now I'm just gluing it and I'll be sticking it. Make sure you are sticking it properly. Now with the help of my bone folder, I'll be just creasing the lines, the dents. So this is the reason why we have kept the gap of 0.2 centimeters in between. Now I'll be covering the white portion with the paper. So we need the paper that measures 5 inches by 5 inches, and we'll be sticking this over the white portions and covering it. So once we are done with this, we'll be covering the black portion with the pattern paper. So we'll be sticking pattern paper on all the sides. So we need a paper that is slightly smaller than 5 inches. So we'll be sticking it as this. So once we are done with sticking these papers, we'll also be sticking it on the outer portion of our scrapbook. So just taking decorative papers and sticking it. So this is how it looks after sticking papers on all the sides. Now we need a paper that measures 4.5 inches by 2 inches. We'll be scoring line at half inches from both the sides. So with the help of my DMC trimmer, I'm just scoring the line. This trimmer is 2-in-1. You can score the line as well as you can cut the line. So I'm done with scoring the lines and I'll be folding it as this. So this is how it looks. Now we'll be taking a paper that measures 4.5 inches by 3 inches and we'll be repeating the same process, scoring lines at half inches from both the sides. So once you're done with scoring the lines, just fold it similarly as previous one. So now we'll be sticking the smaller one in the bigger one and like applying the glue on the back side of this. We'll be sticking it exactly in the center of the bigger one. So this is how it looks. This is for the pages of the scrapbook, like base for the pages of the scrapbook. So we'll be sticking this in the center as this. So I'll be applying the glue on the back side of this and I'll be just sticking it on the center of the white portion. Just with my bone folder, I'm just making sure that it is sticked properly. So this is how it looks. And now I'll be taking paper that measures 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches and sticking it over the base that we created. So I'll be just applying the glue, spreading it evenly, and I'll be just sticking this cardstock over it. So this is how we make the pages of the base. So similarly, I'll be repeating the process and I'll be sticking all the 4 pages. So this is how it looks once you stick all the 4 pages. Now taking a pattern paper that is slightly smaller than 4.5 inches and I'll be sticking it on both the sides of the pages. So this is the look and it looks really amazing and super easy to make. Now I decided to make a shaker. So I'm just taking a frame that measures 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. I've just kept half of inches at the corner and cut off the middle portion. Now applying glue on all the sides and I'll be sticking the acetate sheet or transparent sheet. So I'll be just sticking it as this and I've taken 3 different sequences and mixed them all together, and these are the sequences we are going to use in this shaker. So once we are done with this, I have added 3D foam tape on the sides of the frame and I'll just peel off and just stick it. If you guys need a proper tutorial for this, please make sure you check out my description box as I have a tutorial for the shaker as well. So this is the final look of a scrapbook. This is the base of the scrapbook and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button. So this tutorial was for the base and this is the final look after I completed the scrapbook. So here are some pockets, you can add pictures, you can make some opening cards, add pictures, use some tags and decorate it. If you guys need a tutorial for this as well, please feel free to comment down in the comment section and we'll surely make a tutorial for this. And I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.